Jeanuvs Private Limited, your optimal ally for indigenous and comprehensive solutions. In a world where cutting-edge technology seems to advance beyond our grasp, how can the most innovative solutions be both revolutionary and indigenous? Welcome to Jeanuvs Private Limited, where we turn this challenge into reality. Established in 2008 and headquartered in Chennai, we bring together brilliant minds and advanced technologies in our state-of-the-art 2 million square foot manufacturing facility to deliver mission-critical solutions across multiple domains. Our vision and mission: we aim to be a leading provider of state-of-the-art solutions in defense, space, security, and allied industries. Our mission is to empower the Make in India initiative through innovation, strategic collaboration, and a commitment to excellence. Key capabilities: hardware and PCB design, mechanical CAD design, tailored battery management systems, design optimization, software development, and firmware development, cable harnessing. Manufacturing capabilities: tool manufacturing, advanced machining, material mastery, precision engineering, fabrication and welding, press component precision, mechatronics solutions, BGA workstation and microscope. We've delivered over 6,300 products for 200 clients across 30+ platforms. Avionic Systems, missile systems, underwater systems, space systems, nuclear defense systems, ground defense systems, RF and microwave systems, electronic warfare systems. Nearly 2 decades of sustained growth, 2 million square foot state-of-the-art manufacturing facility. ISO 9001-2015 and AS 9100-2016 certified. Commitment to quality, security, and reliability. Serving prestigious institutions like DRDO, ISRO, IAF, and more. Choose Jeanuvs for indigenous and comprehensive solutions that propel you into the future of technology and defense. Think engineering prowess. Think defense mastery. Think mission success. Think Jeanuvs.